Hello, I'm your teacher from AIMS. I'm going to call you this week and going to ask you some questions about remote learning in 2020. I'll ask you some questions and then I will tick the boxes. Question number 1. What can you do to learn English? Ask family. Ask a friend. Use a computer. Use a dictionary. Call the teacher. Have more English classes. Question 2. When do you learn English? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. We can tick one or more boxes. Question 3. How long is your course? Most of you have a course for 12 months. Question 4. How do you learn English at home? Tick 3 boxes. You can tell your teacher which 3. Read. Complete workbook. Speak. Listen. Call your teacher. Do My Aims on the computer or on your phone or tablet. Question 5. Who can help you with English? Again, tick 1 or more boxes. You tell the teacher. Teacher, family member, job active, friend. Task 2, your name. One A. Can you tell me your full name? One B. Can you spell your first name? One C. Today is Monday. It might be another day, but that's okay. Monday. M-O-N-D-A-Y. Could you repeat that for me, please? M-O-N-D-A-Y. 1D. Teacher to send a text message. Ask students to write their full name. So the teacher will send you a text message and you will text back your full name. Thank you. We look forward to speaking to you this week.